Find the area of the surface formed by the revolution of the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta about its line of symmetry. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Welcome to my channel Speak with Math. Here the equation is of the form r is equal to f of theta. So we can use the equation of area of surface of revolution in polar coordinates, that is a is equal to 2 pi into integral theta 1 to theta 2 r sin theta into root of r square plus dr by d theta square into d theta. And we know that the polar coordinates of x is r cos theta and that of y is r sin theta. Now look at the equation r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. And if we change theta by minus theta, we can see that the equation has no change, that is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta itself. So the given equation is symmetric about its initial line, since if we change theta by minus theta, it does not alter the equation r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Now to plot the curve, just take some values for theta. If theta is equal to 0, what is the value of r? R is equal to a into 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Then r is 2a. And if theta is pi by 2, r is a into 1 plus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Then the value of r is a. If theta is pi, value of r is 0. Cos pi is minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1, 0. So here it is 2a, 0. The coordinates are 2a and 0. Here it is 0a, and here the value of r is 0. So the curve is of shape a heart shape curve. Now to find the area of the surface of revolution, we need only this portion of the curve, that is the curve above the x-axis, and this portion is revolving about x-axis. About x-axis, this portion of the curve is revolving. And what about the limits? Here theta is 0 and theta is increasing, and here it is pi by 2 and here it is pi. So theta varies from 0 to pi. So the limits of integration is 0 to pi, that is a is equal to 2 pi into integral 0 to pi r sin theta into root of r square plus dr by d theta square into d theta. Now dr by d theta is d by d theta of a into 1 plus cos theta, that is minus a sin theta. D by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. Then area A is equal to 2 pi into integral 0 to pi r is a into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta into root of r square, that is a square into 1 plus cos theta square plus dr by d theta square, that is a square sin square theta into d theta is equal to 2 pi into integral 0 to pi a into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta into root of a square into 1 plus cos theta the whole square, that is 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta, that is a plus b the whole square form, plus a square into sin square theta into d theta. This is equal to 2 pi a. A is a constant, so we can take it outside of integration. Remaining term is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Here a square is a common term, so take it outside. Then this become a square into 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta into d theta. That is equal to 2 pi a square integral 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. We know that 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Instead of 2x we have theta, then here theta by 2. Into sin theta into root of 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 cos theta, that is 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 cos theta, that is 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is what? Cos square 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 into d theta is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2, that is 8. 8 pi a square into 0 to pi cos square theta by 2. What is sin theta? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into root of cos square theta by 2 is cos theta by 2 into d theta. Then this 2 into 8 is 16 pi a square into integral 0 to pi cos square theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, that is cos raised to 4 theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 into d theta. Now I am putting some t is equal to theta by 2. Then what is dt? dt is 1 by 2 into d theta. Here I am changing the integration from d theta to dt. When theta is equal to 0, what is t? T is, when theta is equal to 0, t is 0, and when theta is equal to pi, t is pi by 2. So the limits of integration is 16 pi a square into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4t into sin t into d theta. D theta is 2 into dt. 2 into dt. That is 32 pi a square integral 0 to pi by 2 sin t into cos raised to 4 t dt. Now, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin t cos raised to 4t into dt. Here we can use a standard integration, that is reduction formula of integration, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos raised to nx into dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos raised to nx into dx is equal to minus of cos raised to n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1. Limits varying from 0 to pi by 2. Minus of cos raised to n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1, and it's varying from 0 to pi by 2 is equal to what? 1 by n plus 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So we get 1 by n plus 1. Now the required area of surface is equal to 32 into pi a square into 1 by n plus 1. Here n is 4, that is 1 by 4 plus 1. It's equal to 32 divided by 5 pi a square unit square. So this is the required area of surface of revolution, 32 divided by 5 pi a square unit square. Thank you.